Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you some creative ways to reuse your old pillow covers. So guys, first up you can use your old pillow covers as a dust cover or your coats or dresses and bedsheet. Just slip them over your clothes and they will be protected from dust and dirt. So guys, I want to share with you a clever hack that will help you save space in your closet and keep your clothes dust free. All you need is an old pillow covers and some hangers. First grab your old pillow covers and slide it over a hanger. Make sure the opening of the pillow covers is facing down toward the bottom of the hanger. This will allow you to easier slide your clothes in and out of the cover. Next, choose a piece of clothing that you want to hang up. It could be a shirt, dresses, or even a suit jacket. Simply slide clothing into the pillow covers and drap it over the hanger. The pillow cover will act as a protective barrier, keeping your clothes free from dust and other debris. Repeat this process for all of your hanging clothes. You will be amazed at how much space you can save in your closet by using these simple tricks. Not only is this hack practical, but it also eco-friendly by repurposing an old pillow covers. You are reducing waste and giving new life to something that would have otherwise been thrown away. And so there you have it, a quick and easy way to keep your clothes organized and dust free using an old pillow covers and some hangers. Give it a try and let me know how it worked for you. Thirdly, you can turn your old pillow covers into a bed. Just stuff them with old cloth or towel, and your furry friends will have a new comfy spot to sleep on. So guys, fourthly, turn pillow covers into a hanging back cover. First, take your old pillow covers and turn it inside out. Then, fold it in half and cut a small slit in the center of the folded edges. This will be the opening for your bag. Next, cut two long strips for fabric from the remaining material. These will be used as a strap for your bag, and make sure they are the same length and width. Now sew one end of each strap to the top corner of the pillow cover, making sure they are evenly spaced, and then flip them pillow cover right side out. Finally, tie the two straps together at the top to create a loop that you can hang on a hook or droop loop. And there you have it, a branded new hanging back cover. made from an old pillow covers. This DIY project is not only eco-friendly but also a great way to repurpose something you no longer use. Plus, it's super easy and budget friendly. So next time you are thinking of throwing away an old pillow covers, remember this tutorial and transform it into something useful. Fifth, you can use your old pillow covers as a cushion cover. Simply stuff them with old clothes, cushion or towels, and sew the opening shut. So guys, six, I want to show you a quick and easy way to give an old chair a new look. All you need pillow covers. First, find an old chair and need a little sparkling up. It could be a dining chair or desk chair or patio chair. Next, choose pillow covers. You can use old pillow covers or new. And style and the decor of the room. You can find pillow covers is in all sorts of color and pattern and your local home good store or online. Once you have your pillow cover, simply slip it over the backrest and of the chair. Make sure it fits snuggy and covers entire backrest, and that's it. You now have a brand new looking chair without having to spend lot of money. So guys, there you have it, 6 ways to reuse old pillow covers. I hope you found these tips helpful, and don't forget to give it some thumbs up. And if you did, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.